berries for the little ones and a clover for you.
Oh, thank you. Yummy.
The assembly is at sundown, sir.
Very good, thank you.
But in all the busy days, she forgot about herself. Her little nest was broken, and she had no time to fix it.
Help me. I am hungry. Please help me. Help.
What happened, little friend?
I always helped everyone. I fed my friends, cared for the sick. But when my nest was broken, I never had time to fix it because I was always busy helping my friends.
An empty bottle cannot give water, little one. You must take care of yourself first before you can help others.
You cannot help others until you help yourself first. And you cannot share happiness if you are not happy yourself. Choosing yourself is not selfish, little one. It is necessary. When you always put yourself last, you lose the energy needed to truly help others.
It's perfect now. I'm just so glad you're all here.